How to restore iPhone without deleting everything. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on your Apple ID at the very top of the screen to access your account settings. On the Apple account page, find and tap on iCloud to view your storage plan and app data. In the iCloud menu, scroll down the page and select the iCloud Backup option. On this page, ensure the Backup this iPhone switch is turned on. Then, scroll to find and tap on Backup Now. After that, tap on Continue to proceed. Your iPhone will now begin backing up. Wait for the process to complete. Once done, the time and date will be updated. Following these steps, you can easily restore your iPhone without deleting everything. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.